video is about the if function and the VLOOKUP function, or the vertical lookup function, as well as we'll be dealing with the rank function, the COUNTIF function, and the count. So in this worksheet, we will try to show the point equivalent of this sample grade of 5 students. Okay, so in the if, it is a long if, and later on we'll be doing the vertical lookup. So here it is. So it is a long if, so equals if, open parenthesis, this is our reference address, A3 is greater than or equals, we'll be dealing with this sample range, okay, but we'll be using this one later for our VLOOKUP as the table array, but for now we'll be looking into this. So we'll try to use this 95.5 to be exact, so this one. By the way, in the long if function, we are using descending, starting from the highest, okay, down to this 75. So if it is 95.5, that means 96 and above. So it is that one, 1.0, okay, comma, if it is not, another if. So if we have these 10 choices, more or less there are 9 ifs. So this is the second if. So again, if A3 is greater than, so we'll just repeat the condition or the logical test, but this time we'll be referring to the second, which is 93, so 92.5 to be exact. It is true, that is 1.25, that's it, okay. So we are looking into this equivalence out of this range, okay, first two columns, comma, another if. You can put one space after the comma, okay, but here I did not put any more. If again, and then A3, this one is first, greater than or equals to, this one is 89 to be exact, 89.5, comma, please bear with me, it is long, it is 1.5, okay, 1.5, that's it, comma, if for the next, this one, this is our fourth question, if A3 is greater than or equals to, I guess this is 86, okay, 86.5 to be exact, comma, this is 1.75, okay, if it is true, 1.75. So don't look yet for the false or the value false, it will be in the last, okay. Then another if for this one, this will be 84, yes, if A3 is greater than or equals to 84.5, comma, this is 2. So this is a point equivalent, particularly in the grades in college. So another if, open parenthesis, this one, greater than or equals to, this time it is, we are now here, 82.5. Then if it is true, it is 2.25. So comma, 2.25, comma, another if. So we will test all of this up to here, okay, up to 75. So then what's next? This is, I guess this will be, if A3 is greater than or equals to 79.5, that would be this one. If it is true, we'll have a 2 point, what is that? 2.5. 2.5 equivalent grade. Another if open parenthesis, this one, so this is long, okay, comma, if A3 is greater than or equals to, what's next, 70, this is 76.5 to be exact. It is true, it is 2.75, and then comma, if open parenthesis A3 again is greater than or equals to, so you can see the long if, okay, it's called ladderized or nested if in programming. A3 is greater than or equals to 70, what is that? 74.5. Then it is 3. Okay? The passing grade. Else, you don't have to ask anymore. And it is below. It is 5.00, which is failed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there will be 9 because there are 9 ifs. Okay? First if, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Enter. That would be it. So you see there, that's very long. Okay? Well, anyway, we'll just copy it that way. So that's it. So these are the equivalent. Okay? Now let's try the short VLOOKUP. So equals VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, open parenthesis. This is vertical lookup. Okay, this is an alternative for a long if. This will be again our lookup value, and then we'll be referring to this as the absolute reference, and then there are 3 columns of them, wherein from here it will look at this entry, and then where does 88 fall? It is here, so it will be 175. 3 columns, okay, that's it, and then enter. So when we copy it, there will be some error because we need to have an absolute reference here. So in order to do that, the absolute reference, we're gonna put $, okay, $E, $3, and then $G, $12. That is called absolute reference, so that when you copy it, the absolute reference will not change. It will always be the same as this. Only what's changing is the relative reference, which is A3, A4, and so on. Okay? That's cool, right? So it is very much easy for as long as you first create a table array. Then let's rank. I guess the rank one here is 95. So equals rank, and then this one, comma, this one up to this one. Again, we'll make it absolute reference. We'll put $, or you might as well use, you select it and then F4. That's it. Okay, so that when you copy it this way using fill handle, drag it. Yeah, that's it. So this won't change. Okay, so you can see only the relative reference, the A3, A4 is changing, but not this one having a $. That's absolute reference. Next, equals COUNTIF for that. COUNTIF, and then this one, comma, open parenthesis. What are we gonna put here? If it is greater than or equals to 75, we will count the rows. There are 4 of them. And then here equals COUNTIF, and then this one again, comma, this time when it is less than. So less than 75. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna count the students. There are 5 of them, so we'll just try this. We're almost done. Okay, that's it. So if we are to check the formula, here they are. Okay, here are the formula. That's it. Okay. Thank you.